everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some healthy snacks that we are bringing with us on the trip to Disney. It is our annual 12 to 13 hour road trip that we drive to Disney every year. But even if you're not going to Disney, if you have any summer trips planned this year, or you just need some healthy snacks to bring with you on the go, these are just some really healthy options that we like to have anytime that we are away from home. Anytime that you are on the go, whether it's a road trip or just any busy day, and you do not want to hit the drive-thru whenever you or your kids want a snack, I think you'll get some healthy snack options from today's video. So if you want to see the healthy snacks and healthy foods that we are bringing in the car on our road trip to Disney, and then even some things we're going to be bringing into the parks in our park bag, then stay tuned. So these are the snacks that we're bringing on the road trip to Disney. The only thing missing is we're going to be bringing some bottled water, some milk to keep in our refrigerator that we have for the car, and then my cereal that I eat usually in the mornings, and then some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches that I need to make right before we leave. Other than that, this is what we're planning to bring, and I like to keep it pretty healthy. We don't like to eat a lot of places on drive-thrus and things like that. So these are awesome snacks that me and the girls and my husband can eat if we want to. So the first thing I always bring is some plastic spoons and then some cups. We use these for drinks. We also use these in the car and in the hotel if we want some cereal. I'll just pour a little bit of cereal in the cup and use this as a bowl. So that's why I have the cups and the spoons. We also picked up these Annie's Organics snack variety pack. I am not into buying these individually packaged things, but for the trip and for the car, it's a lot easier and a lot neater to just get these little individual packs. So this one came with 12 packs. You get 4 of the bunny grams, 4 of the cheddar bunnies, and 4 of the cheddar squares, and they are all organic. So that'll be a nice, healthier option for a snack. Also this year, I'm bringing, instead of the little lunch packs, I'm just bringing these small little cans of tuna. They're pretty small, and then you don't have to drain these. So that's nice. So I'm in the car, even though tuna smells kind of bad, it'll be nice to not have to drain it. And I can mix this with my Greek yogurt that I plan to bring. I think I forgot to mention that, but I do usually bring the Fage 2% Greek yogurt that I will mix with granola, or I can put in this with maybe a little bit of relish if I can find some like individual relish packets, and just kind of have this by itself or on crackers. So that's a good snack for me. I also brought an apple for several reasons, one of which just to eat on its own. Also, it would be really good if I actually get a couple more of these and slice them up. I know they won't last very long in the cooler or the refrigerator, but maybe a little while, to put with our Naturally More peanut butter packets. These things are so amazing and versatile because there's so many different types of snacks you can make with just these individual servings of peanut butter. They are single serve, high protein, natural peanut butter pouches that only have 260 calories, 3 grams of sugar, but they have 15 grams of protein. So this is perfect to keep us full for a long time. They're natural, GMO-free, gluten-free, vegan, and they're a really great source of omega-3. So I really like them because they are simple ingredients, low sugar, basic things: peanuts, sprouted rice protein, pea protein, flax seeds, and sea salt. So very healthy, very natural, and there's so many different snacks you can make with these. You can mix them in with the Greek yogurt. You can put them on apple slices, put them on wheat crackers or bread or anything like that to keep you full and to keep you away from fast food drive-thrus. It's also a really convenient and lightweight thing that I can bring in our park bag for snacks for the kids or for me, because sometimes we get hungry in between meals at the parks, or we don't necessarily want what they have at the restaurant. So it's a really great option to have, and since they're these little individual packets, you just use it and then pitch the rest of it. So these are new this year for us to try, and I'm really excited about those. I have a coupon code for you guys in the description box for 22% off your order from naturallymore.com. If you're interested, they have other products too, so it's a really good time to shop around and get 22% off of your order. So I'm bringing those in addition to some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches that I will make right before we leave. So that'll be a good option to have with us this year. I got my husband some peanuts because he likes to eat to munch while he's driving, and he does most of the driving, so he likes peanuts, so I got those. Also, for my youngest daughter, she still likes these organic baby food pouches, pretty much just this particular flavor. She likes the banana and squash. Don't ask me why, but she likes them, and I am not going to tell her no because they are organic and it's a little vegetable and it's fruit serving. So I got those for her. Both girls really like the applesauce pouches. Again, at home, we don't get the pouches, we get like a jar, but for travel, these are much easier. You get 4 of the squeezable pouches of the organic applesauce. So we got the like plain flavor, and then we also got the cinnamon applesauce. And again, these are really good for the park bag for snacks. I got these organic sliced peaches for the car or for the park bag. Both girls really like these, and so that's a good option. Also kind of more applesauce, but these have also strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. No sugar added, and of course they are organic and non-GMO. So these are just really quick little handy snacks to have on the go. I also picked up some of the Annie's organic granola bars. We can't get enough of these things. We use them all the time at home. They're perfect for the car. They're perfect for the park bag. Just really quick and easy to grab and for people to snack on in between meals. And then another thing I don't buy very often at home, they're not organic, but at least they are non-GMO. These garden veggie straws with sea salt. They don't have any artificial flavors or colorings or preservatives. They're not terrible by any means. The ingredients are fairly minimal, just basic things that I can pronounce. They're colored with vegetables, so like beetroot powder, turmeric, tomato paste, spinach powder, salt. So nothing that I can't pronounce. So I thought these would be a good option if they want something crunchy instead of something sweet. So those are all of the snacks that we plan to bring, except for those few things I mentioned, the sandwiches, the Greek yogurt, and some milk and some bottled water. We'll buy bottled water again when we get to our resort just to have and take into the parks. But that's pretty much it. And like I said, we usually are able to make enough kind of snacks and things like that out of what we bring that we do not spend much time eating at fast food restaurants on the way to Disney or on the way home. So really excited that it's time to start packing. I'm really excited to use these Naturally More peanut butter pouches because I brought like entire jars of peanut butter before in the car, and it just is messy and it's hard to spread when you're driving around, like trying to use a knife and spread it on something. So these are so much more convenient and so good for you. Both of these varieties have a really high amount of protein, so it's going to keep us full for a long time. So I will have the coupon code for those in the description box for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments, what do you like to bring on a long car trip to keep your kids and yourself full and satisfied and healthier than fast food. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.